Hi everyone, in front of me we've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So as you can see, the network settings include Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on Reset Network Settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you are ready, tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.